Good morning mga mi. Nandito po tayo sa Unihonga Dipat para i-claim yung naiwan kong payong sa bus. Building B. I have to check daw sa Building B. Building B. I'll give them a ring na lang siguro. Or to make sure.
I don't think there's ever like an end line of like
Building B.
success. I believe
Yeah.
success
Dapat
is the
pala ako dumaan sa
chosen
likod.
journey that you're on, right? Like you're enjoying this journey.
Oh, yes, I got you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, no. Naiwan ko to sa bus yung umbrella ko, pero thank you Lord, na-retrieve ko siya. Grabe to, may sentimental value pa to. From Korea to Philippines, Philippines to New Zealand.
Okay.
I'm so happy. Na-retrieve ko yung umbrella kong maganda. See? Ang ganda-ganda ng payong ko. Naiwan ko to sa bus. Kapag mahaba kasi yung biyahe ko, I wouldn't take my car. Nagbabas lang kasi sayang yung gas. I'm so happy. Na-retrieve ko yung umbrella ko.